Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'll show you how to change the theme of your touch keyboard in Windows 11, if you like customizing your PC's look and feel. Let's begin the steps. First, right-click on the Start icon at the bottom. Next, click on Settings from the list. Then, select Personalization on the left side of the screen. Then, scroll down and click on Text Input. Under the Theme section, you'll see several available themes. Simply select the one you prefer. As soon as you click, the new theme will be applied instantly. You can also preview how it looks before closing the settings. Finally, test your touch keyboard by opening it to see the new theme in action. It should now reflect your chosen style, giving your typing experience a fresh, customized appearance. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.